Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
A girl was coloring on a computer. Her brother came with a carrot and said, "Kindly, can you share your crayons with me?" She said, "Sure," joyfully together. Let's meet with new sounds.
Let's do actions with me.
We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets.
Every object has an initial sound. Like
Carrot, computer, crayons. Carrot. Computer. Crayons. Dear kids, what do you know about carrots? And what is the color of a carrot?
see you in the next lesson.